120 can be written as a product of its prime factors in the form of 2 to the m times n times p, work out m, n, and p. So I usually do the decomposition in this manner. If you feel better using the tree, I'm okay with that, but this is a much easier and systematic method. So I start with 2 because 2 is a prime factor of 120. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, and we put the 0 down, and then another 2, it's 30, and another 2, it's 15. I can't divide by 2 anymore. 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 5, then it's a 1. So 120 is written as 2 to the 3 times 3 times 5. So 2 to the m times n times p, where m is 3, n is 3, and p is 5. In number 9, we want to find the highest common factor and the least common multiple for these pairs. In order to find the highest common multiple and least common factor, we need to decompose these into prime factors. So 24, part A, 24 is written as 4 times 3. So I'm trying 4 times 8. 24 is written as 2 times 12. And 12 is written as 2 times 6. So now we can decompose 6 into 2 times 3. Therefore, 24 is equal to 2 to the 3 times 3. Now, still in part A, and I'm going now to decompose 30. 30 is written as 3 times 10, and 3 times 2 times 5. So 30 is written as 3 times 2 times 5, and these are the prime factorization of 30. Now I need to find the highest common factor, so I need to choose the common factors. It's 2. The least exponent, it's 1, times also 3 and 3 are common. Come in it to the 1. 5, I don't write it because it's not common. Lowest common multiple, I write all the factors found in both, even the ones that are not common, and I choose the highest exponent. So 2 to the 3, 3 to the 1, and 5 to the 1. Part B, I'm going to change the color. So part B, 20 is written as 4 times 5, which is 2 to the 2 times 5. 42 is written as 6 times 8. So 42 is written as 3 times 2 times 7. So this is 42. Now I need to take these and write the highest common factor. Common is 2, and that's it. Lowest exponent, therefore the answer is going to be 2. The lowest common multiple is equal to all of the numbers that are found in 20 and in 42. So it is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. Now we choose the highest exponent. It means it's 3 to the 2, 3 to the 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. Okay? part C, it's 8 and 18. So 8 is written as 2 to the 3. So this is 2 to the 3. 2 to the 3 is 8. And 18 is equal to 3 times 6, where 3 can be written, or 9 times 2, which is 3 to the 2 times 2. So now I need the highest common factor. Highest common factor, it's equal to 2 times, and that's it, 2, because 8 has 2 and 18 has this. So the common number is 2, and the lowest common multiple is 2 times 3. They are not common, but you write them all. And now you write the highest exponent.